Let's review how to solve systems of equations. So we're going to use one system and go through all three methods with the one system. We have y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative 2x plus 1. We want to solve this system, which means we want to find the one point where these two lines cross. So to solve by graphing, we'll do that first. First line has a y-intercept at 3, so 1, 2, 3. And its slope is positive, so it will go this way, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and continue the pattern. Then we'll draw the second line, which has a y-intercept at 1 and a negative 2 slope, so it will go this direction. So we are looking for the solution, where the two lines cross, which looks to be right about here. Looking at our graph, it looks like that would be at about negative 1/2, and about, if this is 1, then maybe this is about 1.5. So our solution is negative 1/2, 1.5. You could also write this this way or this way. Now let's practice solving by substitution. So to solve by substitution, we're going to pick one variable to substitute an expression for. I'm going to pick y. So using this second equation, y plus 2x equals 1, I need to find another expression for y so that I just have x's on this side and can solve for x first. So I'm going to pull this equation over here and solve for y. If I add 2x to both sides, I get y equals 3 plus 2x. So I'm going to take this for y and put it over here. And now let's solve for x. So x is equal to negative 1/2. Now I'm going to take this x value and plug it in over here to find y. So y is 2. So the solution to this equation is negative 1/2, 2, which is very close to the solution we found from graphing. The graphing solutions are not exact, especially if you are not graphing on grid paper, but this shows that we were pretty close with our graphing estimate. So that is substitution. Now let's use elimination. In the elimination method, we're literally going to add the two equations together and eliminate one of the variables. So if we add these two equations together, we get 2y, negative 2x plus 2x, those cancel each other out, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. So now we have 2y equals 4. We can divide both sides by 2, and y is 2. Now I'll take this value for y and plug it back into either of these equations to get x. It doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use the first one. 2 minus 2x equals 3. Again, I put in the 2 for y. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, and then divide both sides by -2. And so we get the same answer that we got from substitution.